Hello guys, welcome to Train Sim World 2. Part 2 has my voice in it. Yay, yay, yay. Let's get the train set up. Today we are driving to St Pancras. My 465 from the last part is just next to me to the left. I will show it in a second. Yeah, get the wipers on. Time to lock the doors. So if this recording is a bit laggy, it's 40 minutes long. So yeah, it's quite a long time, Okay, do some little tones of the horn and then get going. Lovely train. Sure, we've got 395013 and 395001. Not sure though. There it goes. Bye train. Bye bye. The next station is Chatham. Going through this snazzy little tunnel. Got a little reading light. Won't use it. I don't really need a light too much in this tunnel. Might turn it on for a little while in the high-speed 1 tunnels, but not at the minute. I'm alright, thanks. Next station is Chatham. I'm going to try and drive perfectly, but probably speed at some point because, yeah, that's just how it works. So yeah, there we go. We have got a 50 limit, slowed down already. I'm going to start slowing down for a 30 as well. He's just before the tunnel, so if I just sling on the brakes now, should be good. There's the 30, and we've slowed down in time. There we go. Pro driver in the works, definitely. Last video didn't have my voice in it because I was all sniffly when I was filming that, and nobody wants that in their life today. So yeah, that explains it. Going through the lovely viaduct at Chatham. And there we go, the road goes over. There's a little bit coming down. Nice. Start slowing down. I've turned off signal markers and speed limit markers, but I've still got it on the HUD up the top. So yeah. Excuse the notifications up the top as well. I think I get like 3 notifications in this video. Just excuse it. Right, let's open the doors. Let's have a look outside. Actually, no, I'll go in the passenger area. I really like the passenger area. As you know, I live in Kent, so these trains are the thing. There's a disabled loo. That's nice. And yeah, this is the really good looking interior. Chatham doesn't look the most realistic, but it's a game. Nothing's perfect. So yeah, let's get back into the cab. It's nearly time to lock the doors. It is a 30 limit until just outside Rochester, where we get a 20 limit, and then a 15. and then a 70. So, yeah. Okay, let's get going. Let's just lift over the horn and the depot whistle. And off we go. I'm going to get scammed by the game. It's going to put me into the tunnel. No! Oh. We should be able to turn that off. Like, that just kind of gets annoying. I just want to see my train go into a tunnel without being shoved into the cab, you know? Especially on the Flanders and Faversham. Because there's so many tunnels. Same with East Coastway. There's a few tunnels on East Coastway. I don't play too many other routes, to be honest. I just got this route and I'm kind of just stuck on it now. So, yeah. You'll never guess what part 3 is. It's not the it's definitely not. No, it's not the only train I haven't driven yet. No. It is. Okay, going through Old Rochester. I'll probably drive the 375 on a Thames Link route. Just a little teaser for next time. Okay, coming into Rochester, we've got a green light. All good, all good. That's how you do it. Into Rochester. Didn't speed just then. No. I didn't speed. No one told me speed. I don't speed anywhere. Crash compilation coming soon. I don't speed. No crash compilation. No. Okay. Maybe I do speed a bit too much, but yeah, you know. Oh, Awesome Buses and Trains liked my comment. Thank you, Awesome Buses and Trains. I would leave a link in the description, but can't be asked, to be honest. Right, let's open the doors. There we go. Do a little guard angle. Also, I'll show you as well. The signal button makes no noise. I've heard it in real life. It goes meep meep. It's something close to that, but it just doesn't make any noise. Don't know why. Let's turn the heating on. I'm getting a bit cold. Turn the heating on your TV. Get this far. Let's get back in the seat. We have got a green signal. No need to turn on the DRA or anything like that. It is 1600. Which is what? 1601. So yeah, lock the door. Objective complete. It's given me 1 minute to get to Strood. I'm not going to do that in time with the 20 and 15 limit. But it normally gives you 1 minute leeway. I might get there by 1603. It won't be 1604 by the time I get there. Because I'm taking the brakes quite seriously in this icy weather. Because I've tried driving the 465 in icy weather. I came into Sittingbourne at 50, like I do in a 465, because the brakes are so good. The brakes kind of just failed me at Sittingbourne, and let's just say the rear 4 coaches were in the station. The front 4 weren't. I'll leave it at that. Going over the lovely Medway viaduct. Is it a viaduct? I don't know. But in real life it goes. So yeah, slowed down for 15, luckily. I didn't realise I had the brakes on, to be honest. I only just slowed down for the 20. Must be a pro driver, you know. going to try and go HUDless on high speed 1. Don't know how that's going to work. I'm probably just going to abort straight away. These trains need autopilot. Tesla need to make a train, mate. Tesla, make a train, please. Thank you. Okay, here's 15. I really had to slam the brakes on it. It was speeding up way too fast. That's a nice little bridge. It's got emergency steps on one side, but not the other in real life. Don't know why. If you're in an emergency, cross the track, mate. Yeah. I suppose it wants you, if the lifts aren't working, it wants you to get off at the side. You can get off the station, I suppose. Not randomly. They definitely need the Medway Valley line. I wish they added it because Tunbridge West Yard will be a big plus. I know we've got Who Junction, but we can't use it in a scenario designer or anything, so Who Junction is kind of useless because, I mean, unless you just want to do freight services on timetable, I want to put 37s and stuff in there, but Train Sim doesn't allow that. But, you know, there's always Train Simulator, but the OBS doesn't handle on my computer, so kind of useless, I may add. Right. Yeah, we arrived at 16:04. Not too bad, I suppose. Not too bad, not too bad. 1 minute late. Get a nice screenshot. Go to the middle of the train, get a nice screenshot. I've seen a nice screenshot of 465s coupled together, so I'm sure there'll be a nice screenshot to be made with 395s. I actually saw this, but the nose cones were closed, and the nose cones are really close together. I would put a picture, but my editing software won't code. It's like failed to decode video, so I have to use some trash one. But yeah, I'll put it at the end of the video. Maybe I'll put it at the end of the video. You got to watch to the end. Watch to the end for awesome surprise. Oh, I don't know. What's this video turned into? A Morgs video or Train Sim World content? Okay, let's go. I love the sound of this train. Even the window wipers are quite good. I like the window wipers. Although they do get progressively annoying. Not to be passive aggressive to the windscreen wipers or anything, but they do get quite annoying. Oh, going 15 miles an hour into this tunnel, really not a good shout. Let's go. Come on, 70. Please let me go 70. Oh, I'd like to see what's in Who Junction as well, actually. Yeah, that would be nice. See what's inside Who Junction. Would be really nice. Yes. While recording, I have just put out part 1. But it hasn't uploaded yet. So yeah, there you go. Inside information. This tunnel is really boring. Oh yeah, I'm going up to 70 now, by the way. I like the little hole in the middle. I think it's something to do with canal boats and passing, because there was a railway line, one track railway line here once or something like that. And the railway line was just on stilts. So if the ground was soft one day, the trains would just straight into the drink, essentially. Yeah, you won't see that 465 again. AWS. This thing speeds up so slow on third rail. Can I just add that? Realism and everything, man, but speed up faster. Okay, let's take the power off. Now. 69 miles an hour! Yay! Share to your friends. 69 miles an hour in a class 395. Legendary, mate. Legendary. Do 5-tone depot whistle to that one. Yeah! I'm not blowing the depot whistle. Sorry! I might blow the horn at high. I might do a little megatone at high. I'm okay. Okay. Let you hear it. Did you like my legend driver epic legend move, man? Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Leave a like for more content. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Who Junction's just round the corner? I've got Colas, BR large logo, GBRF. Let's see what spawns. Hopefully there's no duplicates. I've only got 2 numbers on the Colas. I've got 848, 847. So maybe 848 and 847 will spawn, but I don't know. Here's Hoop Junction. Let's see what's here. Let's see what's here. Let's press the 8 key. It didn't do anything. 8 key? Hello? There we go, it worked. Oh, Colas. That's 848, 847. Alright. No duplicates then. And then we've got 66770. GBRF livery. They look nice with the snow on the top. But yeah, there's my GBRF livery and my Colas livery. So yeah, little sneak peek into one of my future videos. So yeah, there we go. Not telling you any more about them videos because, you know, you can turn these on and off. Oh yeah. Yes, yes. If you didn't know that, guys, you can turn them little light boxes on and off. Wow, thank you, Train Sim. What a feature. Oh, legendary, mate. Legendary. Keep the speed up. No, don't speed. Don't speed. Thank you. I'm already too late for Gravesend. I'm nowhere near it yet. Turn on KVB TVM for high speed one. KVB stops you from speeding and TVM stops you from speeding from a TVM signal. They both do the same thing, but one's from speed limits and one's from TVM 430. So, essentially, they're pointless, being 2 switches. But I guess not everything's perfect. That really reminds me of that meme, perfect, you know? No? Okay. Limit just round the corner. I've been slowing down. That's why I went silent. I didn't realise there was a 50 coming. I've slowed down for it though. It's also a 30. I might just slow down too early. I'm late enough, already 2 minutes late. I'm still a mile away. Oop. There we go. That's how it works. Right, got 30 just before this tunnel. Bridge, don't know, couldn't tell you. No, it's not. It's a couple bridges away. Okay. I should have just looked at the yard count. I'm an idiot. Doing it off memory. Trying to find it. That sign is tiny. Jeez Louise. Anyway. Coming into Gravesend. Another 394. Is that? Oh, no, it's 377. 377. Oh God, I've been doing too much livery designing. 375. I waved at him in real life. Like that does anything. Anyway, coming for a smooth stop. Has anything spawned in on platform 0 for you guys? Because sometimes just 375 spawn in. Sometimes it says going to Ramsgate. I don't know how you're getting Ramsgate from there, mate. And sometimes it just says Charing Cross, which is normal. But yeah, I'm wondering if they're going to be 465s there in the future. Maybe. Who knows? Trade Sim World are weirdos, so yeah. Let's have a look at the train. Looks really nice. I'm just going to go up here. Let's see if there's anything waiting to go on platform 0, because I've got the road. Nothing at that signal. Nothing at that signal. Has that signal got the clear? I don't know. I'll look at the next signal. Has it got the clear? Yeah, it had a yellow. Yeah, there's a yellow. So it's stopping at that signal back there. It's got a diagonal banner repeater. Yeah, I don't think there's anything waiting for me. Oh, I wish I could see a train going in front of me onto platform 0, but maybe that isn't added yet. Who knows? Let's go back to the train. Let's go back to the train. There we go. Alright. Let's get out, do another guard POV. And then swiftly get back in the cab to lock the doors. Release the brakes. Little mega time for the train spotters. Legend. Remember my Ilkley Mobile Tap video on my old channel? Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Oh! I likely. And he starts rambling on about first I likely in the world. Yeah. It was the first I likely in the world. Yeah. It's not 395. I'll give you that. But it's kind of just overreacting. Yeah. Let me know if you want more Train Sim World content, because I find this quite fun to record. So yeah, there we go. Oh crap, I was speeding, wasn't I? Yeah. It's no one. It's 60 and 0.8 mile. That's for the Ebbsfleet turnoff. I still think it's way too fast. If you've seen the AI, if you're going the other direction, the AI just kind of fly around there at 60 and it looks just way too fast. I waved at him in real life as well. Yeah. Epic. Legend. Yeah. But anyway. Just going slow down for the 60. That's 400 yards, probably a bit too early. Why is my frame rate being so trash? Oh, because I'm recording. Probably because I'm recording, to be fair. Right, come round into Ebbs Fleet. Round into Ebbs Fleet indeed. And yeah. How am I going to commentate on something in a tunnel? I'll have to try. Right. My frames have really dropped ever since I've got to Ebbs Fleet. Jeez. I feel my game crashing at Ebbs Fleet. I seriously do. Right, slowing down. Can you see the lag, guys? It just lagged so bad. Game can't handle it. Stop. Unlock the doors. Let's change the power mode. CTR out. Guys, my game crashed. I called it as well. Jeez. Couldn't believe that. Oh, I've just accidentally shut the doors. I had to drive all the way back. Ugh. That's just so annoying. So annoying. But anyway. Oh, the headlights are still on day backup from earlier in the tunnel. Oopsies. Let's get a nice screenshot. Change the headlights back. Before everyone screams at me in the comments on this video that no one's going to watch, because no one's going to watch a 40-minute video if no one wants to watch a 43-second video. So, I suppose it's kind of just the luck of YouTube analytics and whether they recommend my video to people or not, I suppose. Also, shout out to Alex Train Spotter Trains, I think it is. He's pretty active in my comments. He's a pretty cool dude. So yeah. Right, let's get going. Down here, down into the tunnels we go. I'm just going defensive drive the speed limit here. I'm gonna have to turn it off, aren't I? Ugh, yeah, turn barrel. Yes, the speed limit's gone up. I've noticed that the speed limit is 130 miles an hour. Is it? Not 130. It's 230 kilometers an hour, rather than what the TVM says 225. So at some points I might go 225, some points I might go 230, but I am a bit late, so I might be speeding a little bit. Also, just so everyone knows, when you're speeding above the blue marker on high speed 1, that's the speed you need to be going before the next signal. When it turns red, you've missed the signal. It's what I'm trying to get to you. Yeah. And you're going too fast. But as long as you don't overcook it, the signal's at the top, so you know when to be at that speed. And stuffs. So yeah. We will be going under the QE2 bridge soon. The lovely Queen Elizabeth II Bridge, or the Dartford Crossing, as you may call it. Also going over the, is it a Blackwall Tunnel? I'm not sure. I don't think it is. don't know. Get someone else to tell me in the comments. But it's the way you go when you're going into Essex. You get me, you get me. The bridge isn't two-way. Yeah. You don't have to pay after 10 PM, which is quite... That's why I know that. Or on a Sunday, actually. I'm not sure. Oh, don't use me for facts. Use Wikipedia. Or the Dartford Crossing website. if you're planning on going to Essex, you've got to pay to get over that crossing. Oh, let's just change subject. I'm driving a train. Yes. Yes. Class 395, 395 001, 395 013. Yeah. Train. It's a train, mate. Hopefully, train spotting videos at some point in the near future. But buses are priority in a minute because trains are hard to see because they don't let you on the platforms. Whereas buses, you can literally see them anywhere on a bus route. So I guess that's true facts, I suppose. But yeah, train spotting videos will be coming eventually. I'm also planning on doing train spotting videos in Train Simulator and Train Sim World. Let me know your opts on that, opinions. So, what's up with my graphics? It's gone all fuzzy. Let's sort that out. Let's sort out the graphics. It's gone all blimmin' fuzzy. What happens if I just move the camera a little bit? Will that do the trick? Yeah, it worked. That worked. Yes. Going back into the tunnels. Tunnel 2, this is cool. Number 1's the Stratford to St Pancras tunnel. I quite like Stratford International, quite a nice place. You get the DLR to Stratford. You can see all the trains! Best thing is there's no barrier on Stratford DLR. But I use the Oyster card. But, yeah. If you wanted to see some trains at Stratford International, where you go? Well, that's if you get out of Stratford International barriers. If you're not paying for a ticket, you know, don't advise doing that because you can get a 20 quid fine or double the price of a single fare. I think that's what it is. I think that's the penalty fare nowadays. It used to just be like 30 quid or something. Whichever is greater as well. So if twice the fare is more expensive, you won't get the 20 quid one, you'll get the bloody 60 quid penalty fare. So, yeah. That's just how it works. Train people, you know. It all does the trick. I keep getting bloody Instagram notifications and everything, man. Never mind. Stratford is in 4 miles. It'll probably start slowing me down at about 3 miles. It goes 200, 160, 100, 100. Yeah, that's how it goes. That is how it goes, indeed. Indeed. blue marker should go down to 160, and it'll give me time to go down to 160. I've got, yeah, see, 160, and it's giving me 600 yards to slow down to 160, which is more than enough time in the Class 395 with its good brakes. But if your train doesn't have TVM 430, you're screwed and you're barrelling into Stratford with no given warning apart from a 100km/h limit, which I suppose isn't too bad, but kind of annoying. Not giving you a chance to slow down too much. But if you're driving on high speed 1 without TVM 430, you probably know how to drive the train. So yeah, that's just how it works, I suppose. Don't know, you're screwed. Yeah, basically. That works. Yeah. Anyway, got 100 now. Maybe plenty of time to slow down to the 100. I'm gonna come in about 80. 80's quite good speed to go. Gives you enough stopping distance if you need to put on the emergency brakes because you get distracted. But yeah, nevertheless, we can slow down. The rear of the train doesn't quite capacitate the whole platform as a 12 car, but it's near enough. There's a bit of space at either end. A real 395 is going past my house. How epic. Yeah, epic noises occur. Yep. Alright, start slowing down. Slow down. Get a nice good stop out of it. Might do some megatones. Actually, will I? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, might do some megatones out of Stratford. I asked Megasim to do megatones. He went out with a 2-tone. Like, what? I know, right? How's that megatone? More like trash tone. Yeah. How about Ilkley Moor Bartat? Actually, no, I don't know how to do it. I do know how to do it, but you know, can't be asked. Yeah, the rear of the train fits. Just. Why can I hear the depot whistle from back here, but not the horn? Right? Let's just wipe the windscreen a little bit. Single wipe doesn't work, just so you know. Single wipe just doesn't work. Doesn't work at all. There's a few things broken on the 465 too. SDO doesn't work. Rear door release doesn't work. Front door release doesn't work. What are you supposed to do? And also, turn off train lighting. Turns off the headlights. Don't know if it's supposed to. But yeah, if you want the train lights off, you have to turn the headlights off, so yeah. Technicalities, you know. Go into the tunnel. Wipe the windscreen one last time. And there we go. Last time we're outside until St Pancras International, where the video will end. And you'll have to wait till tomorrow till part 2. Yes. You ain't getting part 2 today. Part 3 to... You have to wait till tomorrow for part 3. Yes. Ha. You ain't getting part 3 today, I'm afraid. But yeah, epic. Legendary. I don't think I'll ever get to 225 before it's going to tell me to start slowing down again in this tunnel. just because the tunnel isn't that long. Yeah, it's already telling me to slow down. So, yeah. That's kind of just not right, giving me a 225 limit there, isn't it, really? Right. I'm just going to keep the brakes on a little bit. I don't know the limits in this tunnel. I think it might just stay at 200 for a little while. And then it'll start slowing me down again soon. Not sure. Yeah, it has. But it's blinking. So it wants me to slow down by the next signal. Yeah, coming in. Right, yeah. 160. I'm guessing next limit's 100. 60, 100, 160, 180, maybe. Might be wrong. Might be wrong. Gone down to 100. 100. Yeah. Pro gamer, you know. I don't think I've sped too much today. No, I don't think I've sped too much today. I've sped once or twice. It's probably because I'm talking to you! Yeah, you. The one with the red shirt. And the rest of you, of course. Because, you know, you haven't got a video without my voice in. It's not just the man with the red shirt that's got the video with my voice in, it's everyone. Can we change the subject? Okay. We are coming out of the tunnels soon, I think. We've got an 80. I'm just going to stay at 80. Yeah, coming out of the tunnels. I see the light at the end of the tunnel that isn't there because it's all gloomy and dark. Oh. I don't like the sky, it's just sunset. Ugh. And it's all foggy as well, so yeah, it looks even worse. But, you know, technicalities. Foggy, it's winter, it's snowing a little bit. So yeah, I guess. British weather! Apart from we don't get snow in the south often. Got it last month. But yeah. Kind of stayed for like 4 days, turned to slush, turned to ice. And then just kind of left overnight. Just all gone by the morning, so. You know, how the southeast snow works. Just how it works. Right, coming in. I'm speeding a bit. KVB got annoyed. There's another 395. It's got no one in the cab though. I think there's a guy on the other end. That's an Ashford service. 1J service normally arrives at past. But I don't know that. What the hell's that? There's glitched raindrops. Glitched raindrops indeed. I'm gonna stop too early. Speed up. Oh god. Oh god, have I left this braking too late? Am I gonna hit the buffers? No, surely not. No, I'm not. Easy. Easy stop. Easy, easy, easy. Doors! Right. Open the cab door. Shut down the cab. Say bye-bye to the train. Ladies and gentlemen, say goodbye. Say goodbye to me as well. I'm going. I ain't staying. See me tomorrow. Bye. No. Let's take a screenshot. look at the map before we go. First, we've got to take that beauty shot of these trains, though. Lovely trains, these are. Love them. Anyway, we went from Rochester to Chatham. No, Rochester to Gillingham. And then Gillingham to St Pancras. And tomorrow, we'll be going from Gravesend to Rainham in a 375. Have a lovely day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, as it really does help. Thanks. I also added the picture just for you guys. There we go. There's the picture.